I think you go from we are a competitive company.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so that
Okay.
we know.
Come on. Okay. How you doing? My name is Devin Elliott, and I am our division director for our contract and consulting team for San Diego is where our office is, but really for the whole West Coast. So the contracting industry is big and it's extremely important in the life science industry. From a large customer to a small startup company, they all will need contractors and consultants at some point. The startups, which we love to work with, they are needing normally expertise. They need someone who's done this 100 times and they can come in and consult the client on how to do it. And then they go and take the action and they do it. But they needed the consultant and the expertise to advise how to do it. A large company, they'll need potentially a group of contractors for a project. Projects range from the FDA comes in and they have to do remediation. So there's an issue that needs to get resolved where their full-time headcount is on R&D, they're on sustaining projects, they're doing their day job. They don't have time to do or deal with a different type of project, i.e. remediation is one of the bigger ones. So they'll need 4 or 5 contractors to come in to help resolve the issue and get them back to where they want to be. So our contractor offering is growing and it's, I would say, in a really good position. I just got an email from our chief commercial officer today that we have 350 contractors out, which is awesome. That's a big number, and it goes to show what we've done in the business and how we can help our future clients or our current clients. Our offering is from an operational standpoint, it's pretty straightforward, right? We can W-2 all of the contractors in any state in the US where we provide medical, dental, vision, and then of course we do contractor care. So we look out for our contractors and our clients to make sure that both parties are happy. This helps with retention, this helps with project completion, and of course this helps with just getting the project over the line and making sure that everything's going smoothly. So we have that going for us, which is pretty straightforward standard contract recruitment. We also have our consultative approach where if our clients need someone very high level, we have an extremely strong network of candidates in each region. So San Diego is where I sit, and that's where our service offering is for the pharmaceutical and the biotech and the medical device space. Then we have San Francisco, we have New York, which can help with the entire East Coast, and we have London and Berlin that can all support global businesses from a contracting perspective. And we have a really strong network of mid to senior level engineers, scientists, you name it, to a high level network of really valuable people that our clients can utilize and call on a weekly or monthly basis. So we have that going for us, which is pretty straightforward, right? But additionally, our biggest value is that we're vertically aligned. So each of our recruiters are really specialized in the network of quality, regulatory, engineering, clinical operations, you name it, we most likely have a vertical specialist in that market. So they're able to know the top 100 people in the given region and the given vertical. So when our clients come to us and say, hey, Devin, do you have a quality engineer? Our quality team can say, yes, we do. And I can promise you that we'll get them to you in 24 hours. Fully vetted, reference checked, and most likely in the exact skill set that you're looking for. So for me, what excites me the most about the life science industry and specifically the contracting market is that first and foremost, the life science space, we are helping and saving lives across the world. That's something that for me personally, it's what gets me up in the morning. It gets me excited to be a recruiter. It gets me excited to help develop and grow our contracts team and our business as a whole. What we specialize in is the life science space, and I love that. The market itself, the contracting market, is always pretty steadfast, right? And there's really not, it doesn't move with the recessions or the ups and downs as much as possible. When things are going up, they still need contractors. They still want to bring on more contractors because they can do more projects. When a market slows down or when there's a recession coming, they utilize contractors to still accomplish the projects that are so important. So for me, and being our contracts director, it excites me because I'm not concerned about a recession or a slowdown in the markets because our clients still have projects that they need to get done. And a lot of the time they'll say, well, let's bring on a contractor where we can dispose of them if needed, but they can help us get to what we're trying to accomplish. If you and your team are looking for contractor consulting support now or in the future, we'd love to be able to prove our value to you. Personally, I've been recruiting since 2016. Our business has been recruiting since 2012, and our contracts team here in San Diego are really strong and impressive with what they do. Each person has a high value network in San Diego, Orange County, LA, where we can deliver on speed. So if you need someone quickly, we can find them very, very fast. And we vet all of our candidates. We meet with them in person, we take professional references on them, and we try to present the top 3 candidates that we can find in the market. And we're an extremely competitive company. So we want to make sure that our customers are very happy with the results that we provide, and we'll make sure that we're working extremely hard to get it done.